Hello everyone and welcome back to Casino M8trix Card Academy. I'm Julie, your instructor and dealer for the day. Today we're going to be talking about winning bonuses in Baccarat Gold 1.0. One of our most popular bonuses that's offered in this game is the bonus gold bet. To qualify, the banker must win with a 3-card 7. Initially, once a player places a base wager, they'll also place a bonus wager. The dealer will deliver the cards. The banker wins with a 3-card 7. This bonus pays out 40 to 1. With a maximum bet of $50, this bonus can pay up to $2,000. Thanks for watching. To learn more about the games you can play here at Casino M8trix, check out our other videos in this series. Good luck and may the cards fall in your favor.